Hey everyone, this is the fourth day that I've had honeybees, and I've been using this natural beehive as a community feeder. You see there's a receptacle on the top, I call it a goblet, and the second and the third day I filled it with sugar water, and the bees have been loving it. Today I didn't put any sugar water. Bees are still all over this. There's sugar in the bottom, hardened, and I guess they're eating that. They've also been all over the outside of this hollowed out maple tree, and I guess there's sap coming out of it, and so they've been pretty into that too. So you can see there's sugar on the bottom, and yeah, they're going at it. They're still fascinated with my natural beehive. Signing off.